असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय. From untruth to truth, from darkness to light, and from death to immortality. Yes, it is this noble vision of helping the young hearts to move from untruth to truth, from darkness to light, and from death to life that is entrusted upon a person who assumes the responsibility of being a teacher. A challenging task which most of the educated lot avoid to choose. It is a challenging task not because of the difficulties that lie in the future, but because it beckons to form the character, to build a future, to shape a destiny, and to establish a family, a society, and a country where unity, love, peace, and prosperity reign. Today, as the whole nation celebrates the Teachers' Day, I, on behalf of the entire Thomasian family, would like to appreciate our teachers who have made a choice of becoming a teacher. Dear students, you have become what you are because of their efforts. Can we ever imagine what we would have become if the blessings and the wisdom of our teachers had not enlightened our hearts and minds? If their gentle, at times harsh reminders had not guided our straight path? Today, let us recall all their sacrifices and honor our pathmakers, our dear teachers, by offering our love and respect. I would like to thank the students of class 10 who, guided by their class teachers Shalini ma'am, Sheila Paiva ma'am, and Ranjana ma'am, took the initiative to prepare this digital assembly to mark this special occasion. May God bless every endeavor of ours. Happy Teachers' Day.
Morning everybody. A warm welcome to our honorable principal, teachers and my dear friends. The light of the word and hope that gives us strength are our teachers. Every year on 5th September we celebrate Teachers' Day to pay tribute to the teachers for their contribution to the society. It is also the birthday of our former president Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. On this auspicious occasion, we would invoke God's blessing.
O God, bless our teachers with wisdom. Instill in them a commitment to keep learning. Fill them with knowledge and experience. Help them to be the potential in every student and never give up on us who fall behind. O Lord, listen to our prayers.
O God, we thank you for every teacher being our guide. Give strength and encourage them to take care of themselves. Motivate our teachers so that they may make learning enjoyable for children. Bless all our teachers so that they may guide the students.
Good morning, Honorable Father Principal, teachers, sisters, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Amit Avasthi, stand before you to express my gratitude towards our respected teachers. A teacher is a friend, philosopher, and a guide who instills confidence in young minds, gives them hope, a direction, and encourages them to dream. There is no better time to acknowledge this fact and express gratitude to our respected teachers on this very special day, that is Teachers' Day. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year to honor and appreciate the contribution of teachers in various fields. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India, who himself was a teacher, philosopher, and an educationist. It is the day to express gratitude and respect to the mentors who selflessly work to build the future of the students. Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids to work together and to motivate them. Teacher is the most important person. While some people think it is easy, the role of a teacher is very challenging and equally important. It is their responsibility to impart the correct knowledge and in the right manner. They have to teach methodically, for which they prepare their lessons beforehand. Thus, they are able to motivate their students through the use of accurate techniques. It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are able to have various skills in various fields. Your experiences have helped us to become wiser for the better. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. I thank you all for guiding us to follow the right path. Happy Teachers Day.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, हामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हमें टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हमें टीचर हो तुम्ही। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन्नी मन को ना खले। दिए की लौ की तरह जो सदा जले,
रोशनी से जिसकी हर अंधेरा ढले, वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही, थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही, वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही।
गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Do you know why do we celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5th? We celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5th because on this auspicious day, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, philosopher, author, and India's second president, was born. When he became the president of India, some of his students and friends requested him to celebrate his birthday. He replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." Every year, Teachers' Day marks a grand celebration for students across India. It is the day when the country celebrates birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Of academics and education, Radhakrishnan was a renowned philosopher as well as a teacher. He is remembered for being one of the greatest thinkers of 20th century and for introducing Western philosophies into the Indian society. He was professor of philosophy at Mysore University. He is well known for his commentaries on Prasthanataraya, the Bhagavad Gita, the Upanishads and the Brahma Sutra. In 1936, he taught Eastern religion and ethics at Oxford University. He was the first Indian to be appointed as the Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University. In 1947, he represented India at UNESCO. Radhakrishnan was nominated 16 times for Nobel Prize in Literature and another 11 times for Nobel Peace Prize. Radhakrishnan was highly admired and respected by his students. According to S. Radhakrishnan, a teacher refines and reconciles different currents of thoughts. He adopts method not of denial but of presentation and shows how these different lines of thought converge towards the same end. Thank you.
थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है, मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है, ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है, लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है, नचते ने सारे नचते ने सारे नचते ने सारे
Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. On the birth anniversary, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. To show respect for his remarkables, we celebrate Teachers' Day.
Teacher plays a very important role in a student's life. As a teacher, one must bring out the best in students and inspire them to strive for greatness. A teacher imparts knowledge, good values, tradition, modern day challenge, and way to resolve them.
as it is an interesting occasion in which students have to plan to surprise teacher along by elaborated plays, essays, speech that leaves an unvanished mark on students' memory. Great leaders and inventors are not born. They are motivated and inspired to do great work by great teachers like you.
We will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts that you have put in to educate us. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character and future of an individual.
A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others.
A very warm and pleasant morning to the paramount, divine idol and peerless head of our institution, Reverend Father Melvin D'Souza. Parish Priest Reverend Father Stanley Wilfred D'Souza, Reverend Sisters, teachers and all my dear and lovely students. On behalf of STS Teaching Fraternity, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birthday of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It is one of the best days in the life of a teacher, and our students always come up with something special for us. More than ever, I am impressed by your ingenuity, your resilience, your strength and passion as we have navigated some unprecedented challenges over the past few months due to this pandemic. More than ever, I am proud and grateful to have such a wonderful and lovely students and such an inspiring guide and mentor as our principal, Reverend Father Melvin D'Souza. His guidance not only helps the teachers but also the students to do their best. We are all honored by this virtual assembly presented by our students. Although Teachers Day is a day of a teacher, yet I want to dedicate it to all my students for giving us respect and treat us as their parents. I want to wrap my speech by thanking you all once again and by wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day.
On behalf of all the students, I take this privilege to extend our gratitude to our Honorable Principal for giving us the opportunity to conduct the virtual program on the occasion of Teachers Day. I also thank our teachers for guiding us. A special thanks to the viewers for watching our short cultural program held to show honor to our teachers.
Yeah.